Hi everyone, how are you? This is Julius, and today I'm going to be sharing regarding Forex trading using artificial intelligence. So I'm actually the admin of AI Traders Launch, and I'm building a community who shares regarding foreign exchange, trading in the foreign exchange online, and using Forex robots, or what we call expert advisors, in the foreign exchange in order for it to trade for you. So our partner broker is also FX Primus. And a bit about myself, I'm an engineer by profession. I'm an electronics engineer by profession, and I've got 6 years experience in the financial industry as a financial broker. I've got 5 years experience as a software engineer. I'm also a registered financial planner. So apart from trading, I also teach people on how to manage their finances. So this is my page, AI Traders Launch. I hope you visit my page and like my page so that you'll have updates on the upcoming projects that I'm making. So I'm actually giving some free softwares, and you could actually use my softwares unlimited in demo using a demo account. So feel free. So after this, I'm gonna be I already put the link on the description portion of this video, so you could look at it after the webinar. So before we start, disclaimer: trading foreign exchange currencies as well as using trade software is risky, and you should only trade with money you're willing to lose. Results are not guaranteed. This is not a solicitation for investment of any kind. One should learn all the risks associated with trading and software trading before getting involved. This presentation is for informational purposes only. All potential earnings described in this presentation will vary dependent on your work ethic, hours you spend on this project, and quality of customers you refer. So, first, we have to define Forex. So what is Forex? Forex is simply the foreign exchange, or simply the foreign exchange market. So Forex is basically trading or buying and selling of currencies in what we call the foreign exchange market. So for you to be not confused, it's simply if you do it manually, you are simply exchanging your local currency to other currency. Like for example, I'm from the Philippines, by the way. So if let's say for example I want to go to Hong Kong. So if I go to Hong Kong, then I need Hong Kong dollars in order for me to use the services in Hong Kong, right? So I need to exchange my Philippine peso into Hong Kong dollars. So what I do is basically I go to a money changer, and then I exchange my Philippine peso into HKD or Hong Kong dollars so that I could use it in Hong Kong. So the process is basically you're buying Hong Kong dollars and you're selling to the money exchange or the money changer your peso. So that's basically the manual way on doing foreign exchange. So for example, if I think the US dollar would grow, I would buy US dollar here in the Philippines through a money exchange or through the bank, and then I keep the USD, and when the USD value will grow, I'll sell again my USD in exchange for peso. That's basically foreign exchange. But what I'm going to be sharing to you in this webinar is foreign exchange online. So we're trading currencies online. So it is also foreign exchange also is the most liquid financial market in the world, trading 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So unlike stock market, we are familiar with stock market. In the Philippines, it opens at 8:30 a.m. in the morning and close at 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon. So it's not 24 hours. The nice thing about Forex is that banks are usually open 24 hours because it's worldwide. I mean, 6 a.m. in the morning, Australia will open. This is in Philippine time. So it's 6 a.m., Australia will open. 3 p.m. in the afternoon, Europe will open. 8 p.m. in the evening, US will open. So if you try to see the cycle, so 24 hours worldwide, banks are trading. So that's how foreign exchange works. So you have a lot of chance to enter the market because from Monday to Friday, foreign exchange is open. So for some countries, it's actually offset. I mean, there's an overlapping of time, because let's say 6 a.m. here in the Philippines, or 8 a.m. in Australia is still Sunday in US, or Sunday in Europe. But actually, it's just from Monday to Friday. The reason why you can see sometimes that people talking about trading on Sunday and Saturday, because of the overlapping of time between countries. So, why trade in foreign exchange? Foreign exchange is a 6.6 trillion per day volume of trades. US stock market is only 257 billion per day. Philippine stock market is 150 million per day. So in terms of volume of trades, Forex is really bigger or higher in volume compared to stock market. So if you try to look at this image, really Forex is a haven for traders because it is more liquid than stocks. So if you try to look at the Philippine stock, our Philippine stock exchange is only 150 million. So Forex is a $1 trillion industry. So you've got a lot of chance for you to earn in the foreign exchange market, and it's more, in a way, it's more faster in terms of movement because it's more liquid than stock market. And for 24 hours, you have the chance to put your trade. So the major currencies in the world, these are the most traded currencies and the most stable currencies in the foreign exchange market. So we have the USD, Canadian dollar, we have GBP or Great Britain pound, we have the European euro, we have Australian dollar, Swiss franc, we have New Zealand dollar, and we have Japanese yen. So these are their symbols. So if you are trading in the foreign exchange market, you won't see those words like dollar, euro, yen. It's usually symbols that you will be able to see, like USD, Euro, USD, EUR, JPY, GBP, CHF, CAD, AUD, NZD. So I think you're familiar with this. If you are used to traveling, you go to a money exchange counter and you will see the symbols. So the general rule, a simple fundamental analysis of Forex is, if the economy is good, most likely their currency will grow higher. If the economy is bad, most likely the currency will go lower. But it's so simple to say, but there are a lot of analysis behind. But basically that's how it works. So you buy a certain currency because you believe that the economy of that country will grow along with the currency, so that you'll earn from it. So that's how we earn in the foreign exchange market. So how risky is Forex trading? So like any form of investment, Forex trading involves risk. The currency markets can experience sharp fluctuations, just like the stock or commodity markets. The role of our community is to manage and minimize risk through our AI trading software. So Forex is actually a risky investment. So we don't guarantee a risk-free trading, but what we guarantee you is we could teach you about trading, and we could minimize that risk through the knowledge we teach you, through the expert advisors also that we provide in the community. So what is artificial intelligence? So if you're not familiar with AI, this is the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between languages. So it's basically automating a certain task and using an algorithm or the computer to do it for you. So it's just like in the foreign exchange market. Before, you need to go to your computer, or you input a certain currency, you buy this currency and sell another currency. That's how it works before. But the advent of technology improved a lot, and it also improved trading. So many of hedge companies or banks also use algorithm or AIs in order for them to trade in the foreign exchange market. So let's take advantage of it, because if you're not using the internet right now and you're not using technology in order to earn money, then you are actually years behind. So that's artificial intelligence. Even your phone, you could actually let me try it using my phone. You could actually use Google or Bixby or Siri in order for you to find something in the internet. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna use Google. Hey Google, hey Google, can you find me the location of the nearest Chinese restaurant?
I found a few Chinese restaurants near you.
So Google is currently showing me some Chinese restaurant nearby. So I could just tell Google to call the restaurant. So call Tim Ho Wan.
Sorry, it looks like there's no number listed.
So it also tells you if there's a number listed or not. So basically, that's how AI works. So what we are doing is we are incorporating, or we are combining AI technology into our trading. So how does, before I go on to the details of artificial intelligence, we need also to know how does Forex trading work. So these are the participants in the foreign exchange market. We have the banks, we have the corporate investment fund companies, we have the retail traders. So banks are actually the biggest participant in the foreign exchange market trading. Without the banks, there are close to no liquidity in the market. So banks, then we have the corporate and investment fund companies, or these are the companies that pool money in order for them to trade the foreign exchange market. We have also the retail traders. These are us. We open an account with a broker and then we trade in the foreign exchange market. Now, for big banks and corporate investment fund companies, usually they are actually connected through what we call the interbank exchange. The interbank exchange is actually an online facility wherein they could just trade directly, but it needs a lot of funds. It needs big funds. But for us, retail traders, since we don't have much money, and for small banks and small investment fund companies, we register to a broker. And the broker, they link us to the interbank exchange. So that's how it works. So in order for us to trade, we have what we call a software, a platform that allows us to trade. And the most common platform that is used right now is what we call the MetaTrader 4. In the MetaTrader 4, whatever buy and sell positions or whatever currencies that we buy and sell, it will be initiated by the MetaTrader 4, and the data will be sent to the Forex broker. And the Forex broker will now link to the interbank exchange or the foreign exchange market. So that's basically how foreign exchange works. So you just need the MetaTrader 4 and register with the broker. You log in your Forex broker account to your MetaTrader 4, and basically you just press buy and sell using your cell phone or using the computer. That's basically how it works. So, but the analysis behind on how to trade is really confusing or not that easy. So,
I didn't understand that.
What we are offering, sorry, my I think Bixby is responding to my voice. Anyway, so what we are offering is AI softwares. So the trading strategies that our robots offer are ones used by hedging companies. So Cost Avenger is something that I developed. It's actually patterned from hedging software, but it has my own analysis in it. From my experience, but because I've been trading for 2 years in the foreign exchange market, and the stock market, I also traded like around 5 years already. So based from my experience, I incorporated it through this software based from the EAs that I used before and the strategies that I know. So this is Cost Avenger. So Cost Avenger right now, I don't know in the future if I'm gonna put a fee on it, but right now you just need to register to my broker. You use my link, and it's totally for free. No monthly fees. You could use also demo account. A demo account is basically virtual money. It will simulate the market. It will you could actually trade along with how the market is moving. You could trade. You could try the software using that demo account. So before you go live, I strongly suggest you first try it on demo. So it's actually unlimited. You could use it for 1 month or 2 months until you are comfortable to use it on live account. So Cost Avenger right now, grab it. It's still free. I don't know if I'll be putting a fee on it in the future because maybe in the future I'll have more expense on the server, especially if a lot of people are already using the software. So AI. So Cost Avenger will analyze the chart for you. So instead of you analyzing this one, so if you're new in the foreign exchange market or if you're new in trading, you don't know how to analyze candlesticks, or even if you are trading manually, a lot of us lose in manual trading because it would take around they say it would take around 3 to 5 years in order for you to become an average trader. In order for you to be really good at it, around 5 years. So it takes a lot of time for you to learn. And the nice thing, I'm not telling you not to learn manual trading, not to learn to read charts, but what I'm saying is that why not use artificial intelligence so that while you're learning, you're also earning, because AI will trade for you. So that's basically how it works. So instead of analyzing like what's the trend, is there a pin bar, is there an engulfing candle, what's the current structure, is it ranging, is it trending? So there are a lot of things that you need to understand in the foreign exchange market. So with AI, with expert advisors, you will learn while they trade for you. So how does the robot work? So you as user, you input your settings. It won't work without your settings. Then Cost Avenger will place orders for you through MetaTrader 4. So you will attach Cost Avenger into MetaTrader 4 so that it would analyze the chart and it would buy and sell for you. So it's actually automated. So advantage of using AI or artificial intelligence. So it has a systematic profit collection. You don't have to look at the screen always and I need to get out of this trade. You don't have to, because it closes the trade for you if it's in profit. Trades with the trend. Cost Avenger trades with the trend. Needs less monitoring. No emotions, which is perfect for trading. So it has no emotion. So unlike if you are trading in the foreign exchange market manually, your trading is actually 80% emotion or psychology and 20% skill. Even how good you are, if you don't know how to control your emotion, and the emotions that really control you in trading is greed and fear. So if you don't know how to control your emotion, you're not stable enough, then it would really affect your trading. So with AI, no emotions at all. So the currency pairs that we trade, we have Euro USD, we have USD JPY, we have Euro JPY or Euro Japanese Yen, we have also GBPUSD. So you are free to explore other currencies if you want. The demo is unlimited, so it's really up to you. But I suggest just trade within the major pairs or major currencies. So these are the result. This is the result that I have. 2 weeks of result. This is a 2K USD account. For 2 weeks I earned 148 USD. But past performance is not indicative of future results. This is not a solicitation to invest. You may lose money in Forex. So when we talk about foreign exchange, always remember that you could lose money. So it would depend on the settings that you input in the EA, and it would depend on how you manage the expert advisors. So because an expert advisors could only work if you manage it also. But at least the pressure of analyzing the chart, the emotion of looking at the computer and looking at the drawdown, so it will be transferred all to the expert advisor. So to be familiar with it, there's another video on how to use Cost Avenger and the settings of Cost Avenger. So you could look at that video. I'll be putting it in the description part also of this video, so that you'll be able to look at it. So our online community, AI Traders Lounge, if you're still not part of it, I have AI Traders Lounge page, and I have also an AI Traders Lounge group. You could request to be part of the group after this video. You search it in Facebook. So get your software for free. How do you get your software for free? Simple. You register to my account using this link, or the link that is provided in the description. So you avail a VPS using this link. By the way, we need a virtual private server in order for us to be able to run the EA, because we need the expert advisors to run 24 hours from Monday to Friday. So we rent a computer in the cloud, so that the computer would run for 24 hours and the robot will also run for 24 hours. So that's basically how it works. So that's the 10 USD per month. So if you want to first test the software, use a demo account. So you could use a demo account, avail the VPS so that it would run for 24 hours for you. So that's it. So at least you only pay the 10 USD for using real money to trade. Then we have then you subscribe to my YouTube channel using this link. Then you like my Facebook page and receive updates from my developments. This is not the only EA that I'm developing. There's another one. It's still in progress. I'm currently doing a lot of research on good strategies, and also incorporating my own knowledge to create this software. So I'm also backtesting it, like the previous years of movement of the market, if it would work. So so better like my page so that you'll be able to know some updates. Then message me your FX Primus MT4 number after you registered. Screenshot that you already subscribed to my channel in YouTube and that you like my page in Facebook, so that I could add you to my database and you could now start using it for free. But if you want to use Cost Avenger in demo, there's another video also how to open how to set up Cost Avenger on demo account. So you could also watch that video. So the FX brokers that we are using, we are currently partnered with FX Primus. But if you are if you are in a country that FX Primus does not allow for you to trade, so just tell me, so we'll have another alternative for it. But if you're gonna be using another broker aside from FX Primus, I'm gonna ask you for a monthly fee for the software. But if you're gonna using FX Primus using my link, then it's totally for free. The software is totally for free. So I think that's it. So let our AI powered trading software get you into a $6.6 trillion per day industry. So I know it's not that clear. All that I said in this webinar, I know there's for the new ones, I know there's a lot of things that you need to learn in the foreign exchange market. Just watch my videos in YouTube. There's actually a video about Cost Avenger that I also teach about Forex basics. So for you to learn about Forex, more about Forex, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and look at the next videos. Search for videos in my YouTube channel so that you learn more on how to trade and more about the foreign exchange market. So I think that's all, and I hope you're having a good day. I hope you learned something out from my sharing. And yeah, I'm really excited to have you as part of my community. Please subscribe and feel free to message me on Facebook. Maybe if there are a lot of inquiries, I won't be able to message you directly or to reply to you directly, but or instantly. But just message me. I'll look into your message. So thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed, and have a great day.